Hello learner, my name is Vignesh Varan and I'm an English language trainer. This video is a part of a 2-minute series titled English through IPL Medium, where we learn English along with some cricket action. So let's learn. Yesterday's match between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders. Before the game began, it was all about Virat Kohli and his RCB. Virat Kohli quitting T20 Championship, Virat Kohli playing his 200th game for RCB. RCB, like wearing a blue jersey. So it was all about their team. Virat Kohli won the toss, and the moment the game was on, Kolkata Knight Riders were all over Bangalore. Bangalore lost Virat Kohli in the second over, and Bangalore went on to lose the game within 10 overs while batting as well as bowling. The phrase all over in sports refers to being aggressive at your opponent so that there is no chance for them to stage a comeback. It means that you're really aggressive with them, that there is no way for them to escape out of it. Yeah, and Kolkata were very aggressive with their bowling as well as batting yesterday, that Bangalore didn't know what to do and how to respond to it, and they eventually went on to lose the game pretty bad. Yes, that is all about the phrase all over. I hope you have learned that today. If you have done that, consider liking this video. Go ahead, let your friend know about this idea of learning English along with some cricket action. Continue watching, continue learning. Let's learn.